Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about IFTTT. So it's free. IFTTT stands for if this then that. So it's an app or a tool that promise us to do more with the services you love. So this is free. We'll just create our own service via the IFTTT platform. Let's create our own search services. So I want to create my own service from Trello. Let's connect it to our own Trello account. Let's authorize Trello, or rather IFTT to Trello. Then choose trigger. If the card added to the board, card added to the list, or card assigned to me. Let's choose this. Which board? So we'll choose first our board. So my boards. What's the title? Goal for April. Create trigger. We'll invite IFTTT to our board. Then that. So we connect it to, I think we can connect it to Google Docs. I want Google Docs. So if we add a card or something is added to our board from Trello, it will be added to our Google Docs. So we authorize IFTTT to our Google account, just like Trello. So either create a document or append to a document. We choose create a document for more or a specific action rather than append to a new document. It's more easy and clean if we choose create new. So of course, we'll connect our Google Doc. We will going to open our Google Docs. So unlike Zapier, IFTT is a bit complicated, but you only need to be patient. Here you go. Finish so that it will be finalized. If card added to the goal for April board, then create the document in Geneva, send us Google Drive. So it's connected. Let's see. Google Docs. Google Drive. Let's add some card here if it's connected already to our Google Drive or Google Docs. Let's see. I'll write something here. Add the list to be sure. Let's see. Be sure to use your Google Drive that is connected to the IFTTT account. There you go. Our card from March 21. Eat fish. Enroll at yoga or meditation classes. So from Trello, it was copied or go with Google Docs. Thank you.